Highway Code Rule 67. You should look all around before moving away from the curb, turning or manoeuvring to make sure it is safe to do so. Give a clear signal to show other road users what you intend to do. See page 103 for the correct signals. Look well ahead for obstructions in the road, such as drains, potholes and parked vehicles, so that you do not have to swerve suddenly to avoid them. Leave plenty of room when passing parked vehicles, and watch out for doors being opened or pedestrians stepping into your path from between the parked cars. Be aware of traffic coming up behind you. Take extra care near road humps, narrowings and other traffic calming features. Take care when overtaking. See rules 162 to 169. Overtaking is a very dangerous manoeuvre.